It was on a lovely Easter morn, to a city fair rode I. There armed lines of marching men in squadrons passed me by. No pipe did hum, no battle drum did sound its loud tattoo, while the Angelus bell with a Liffey swell rang out in the foggy dew. Right proudly high over Dublin town they hung out a flag of war. It was better to die 'neath an Irish sky than at Sula or Sudelmar. And from the plains of Royal Meath strong men came hurrying through, while Britannia's Huns with their long-range guns sailed into the foggy dew. 'Twas Britannia bade our wild beast fly, that small nations could be free. Their lonely graves are by Subla's waves on the shores of the great North Sea. But had they died by Pierce's side, or fought with Collins true, their graves we would keep where the Fenians sleep, 'neath the shroud of the foggy dew. But the bravest fell, and the requiem bell rang mournfully and clear, for those who died at Eastertide in the springing of the year. And the world did gaze with deep amaze at those fearless ones so few, who bore the fight so that freedom's light might shine through the foggy dew. They bore the fight so that freedom's light might shine